Hi everyone, and welcome to Marchborn's Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Simple Budget Planner spreadsheet. Today, I'm using Google Sheets, but the Excel version works exactly the same. This planner comes in two styles, light mode and dark mode. Let's get started. First, choose your budget start date. For example, I'll enter January 1st, 2026. Next, select your end date. If you're using a weekly budget, choose January 7th. For a biweekly budget, select January 15th. I'll choose January 31st, 2026, which makes this a monthly budget. Now, enter your currency. This is a text field, so simply type the currency you use. For example, I'll enter the euro symbol, and you'll see the planner update automatically. You can also enter a $sign or any other currency. Next is starting balance. If you already have money in your account, enter it here. If not, leave it blank to create a zero-based budget. Now, let's add income categories. I'll enter salary, bonus, gift, and rent. You can also add icons by pressing Windows plus the period key to open the emoji picker. This makes the planner more fun and visually clear. Now, enter the budgeted income amounts. Salary, $5,000. Bonus, $1,000. Gift, $500. Rent, $300. Next, let's add savings categories and their budgets. Emergency fund, $200. Garden and maintenance, $100. Gifts, $100. New laptop, $120. Furniture, $100. Home renovation, $100. Now we'll enter expense categories and budgets. Grocery, $1,000. Food and dining out, $800. Medical, $500. Pet, $200. Gifts, $100. Entertainment, $200. Clothing, $200. Beauty products, $80. Education and tuition fees, $100. Transportation, $120. Car gas and maintenance, $80. Garden expense, $100. Next, let's add bills and subscriptions, along with their due dates and budgets. Water, due on the 1st. Electricity, due on the 3rd. Internet, due on the 2nd. Phone bill, due on the 5th. Amazon Prime, due on the 7th. YouTube, due on the 9th. Adobe Editor, due on the 10th. Canva, due on the 12th. Hulu, due on the 15th. Netflix, due on the 18th. Each bill has a budget of $100. Now, let's add debt categories. Student loan due on 3rd, $200. Personal loan due on 5, $300. Credit card bank 1 due on 5, $100. Credit card bank 2 due on 7, $100. Credit card bank 3 due on 10, $100. Credit card bank 4 due on 12, $100. And that's it, your budget setup is complete. Now let's record daily transactions. For example, on January 1st, 2026, I received my salary. I'll enter the date, select income, choose salary from the drop-down, and enter $5,000. You can also add notes if you'd like. You'll see the actual income automatically update in the planner. I'll add a few more sample transactions here. Now you'll notice that all charts and calculations update automatically. This chart shows your spending breakdown, including expenses, bills, debts, and savings. Next to it, you'll see a table and chart showing your daily income and spending patterns. Let's scroll up to view more insights. This section shows your financial summary, including how much money is left in each category. Here are two charts comparing budgeted spending versus remaining budget and actual spending versus remaining balance. This chart shows budget versus actual spending for each main category. Beside it, you'll see a spending breakdown chart and a daily balance overview. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you easily set up and use your budget planner. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Follow Marchborns on Etsy and YouTube for new templates and updates. Thank you for watching.